Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to easily share your phone number with specific contacts on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. If you've ever wanted to keep your number private but still allow certain people in your contact list to view it, this step-by-step guide will show you exactly how. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's open, look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Click on those lines to open the main menu. From there, scroll through the options and select Settings. Now, inside Settings, you'll find several choices, but what we're looking for is Privacy and Security. Go ahead and click on that. Within the Privacy and Security section, look for Phone Number. This is where you can manage who can actually see your number. By default, this might be set to nobody or everybody, but to customize it for certain people, choose the option that says My Contacts. Once you've selected My Contacts, you'll notice an option called Always Share With. Right next to that, click on Add Users. This is where you decide which specific people from your Telegram contacts you want to allow to see your phone number. A list of your contacts will appear. Simply scroll, search, and select the names of the people you're comfortable sharing your number with. After choosing them, click Save to confirm your selections. When you're finished, Telegram will ask you to confirm the changes. Approve the update, and now only the contacts you've added will be able to view your phone number. That's it. In just a few minutes, you've taken control of your privacy and set Telegram to share your number only with people you trust. This small adjustment helps keep your personal information secure while still making communications smooth with the contacts that matter most. If you found this guide clear and useful, be sure to apply these steps right away so your Telegram account settings match your comfort level. Privacy is in your hands, and with this new update, it's easier than ever to manage it effectively.